started with me.
This video is for those who lack motivation for cleaning. We have a mess. My daughter's being lazy. My dog is pretty much just chilling.
Oh, so he's chilling.
Dog bed.
And I'm lazy.
Shoes. Makeup. Mail. It's pretty much what the living room looks like right now. Pretty messy. Shoes on the floor. Bunch of trash. Dog brings in. Yeah, about that. We don't know. Clothes hanging up that needs to be put up. Vacuum cleaner. Dog stuff. Just full trash. Mess. Sink full of dishes. Yeah. And a table full of a bunch of junk. So, let's do this. Alright, you guys, we're going to make some taco soup, and this is my version of taco soup, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. So we're going to need, I'm going to use 2 pounds of the ground beef. You're also going to need green pepper, white onion. I'm going to use some taco seasoning, 2 packets of Sazon Goya. You can get this on the Mexican aisle. Also a packet of Mazola, which is just like a chicken, it's like chicken tomato bouillon. I'm also going to be using some chicken broth because I don't have the beef broth, a can of black beans, pinto beans, some tomato paste, some rotel, and then I'm also going to be using this tomato sauce. It's going to give it a little spice. You can also find this on the Mexican aisle. And then I'm going to use some additional seasonings, and this is just to taste. So some adobo and some sazon, some seasoning salt, a little bit of garlic, onion powder, cumin, black pepper, and then to, you know, when you're done, to garnish it on top, you can put some some cheddar cheese, green onions. I have some Fritos and some Tostitos, and also some sour cream, which I don't have out here right now, but those are the ingredients. So let's get started. All right, guys, so I also forgot to mention that we're gonna need corn. A can of corn. I didn't have that on my ingredient list. So also this is going to be kind of spicy. If you don't want it that spicy, then you can change up your ingredients. Like instead of using the pato tomato sauce because it adds a little spice, and also the rotel, you could just use regular diced tomatoes and regular tomato sauce. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have my pot here heating up. And I also have some cornbread that I'm about to put in the oven now. And so let's get started. I'm about to put the meat in and then start cutting my veggies while the meat is cooking. salsa for you.
I'm gonna go while we do it.
I'll put the ingredients in the description box, as if it's not gonna already be spicy enough, right? But for those who like a little extra kick. Okay, a little bit of sour cream. Okay, maybe that's more than a little bit, but that's okay. Some onion. And lots of cheese, because my daughter's gonna taste this and she loves cheese. Okay, and we're gonna serve this with
Tortilla chips.
tortilla chips. Okay, pause, Toria. All right, Toria, time to taste test. You can use your spoon if you need. Are you seriously laughing? Well, is it? Is it good? Does it need salt? No?
It's perfect.
Perfect?
I like it a lot.
Okay, take another bite, but make sure you get everything on there for the camera.
Okay, we'll
Get you your sour cream. Make sure you got some meat, some cheese, some of the beans.
Okay.
Good?
It reminds me of that stuff they sell at football games.
Oh, like chili. It's kind of like a chili. But our version of the taco soup.
It tastes really good.
Well, that's good.
I like this a lot.
So it's a winner with the kids, for sure. And that was just me see if it's son approved. Definitely daughter approved, right? All right, guys. So that concludes our version of this recipe. Be sure to try it. I will link all the ingredients in the description box below, to include my salsa for those that like an extra kick, and the cornbread. Cornbread cake is what it is. And I use this recipe from She's in Her Apron. I'll be sure to link her channel below if you'd like to follow her. All right, guys. Thank you.
She's like this.
All right, guys. I also I forgot to say, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and also like my video. Thumbs up. Please share. All right. Thank you. This taco soup is unapproved.
Yes.
I would say so, seeing how this is plate 2, bowl 2, and empty.